Now we have a situation where we have a window and we see it in point cloud. So the idea is to model it using FlexTool plugin. Of course, it will be not very detailed without many profiles, but a lower level of details. So let's try to model it. First of all, let's choose a type of window, a big casement window, and make that it will cut wall. And now we just need to edit component options. For this, I need to measure dimensions of window. I can switch off internal scan positions to see it more clear. Let's measure. Maybe it's possible to make this component based on two same windows. We will see later. But first of all, let's do the width. Let's measure it. 188, and this will be 88 centimeters. Let's move it. Height. What if I'll make this one part of window and another one standing on it? So let's measure approximately, or maybe I can move it to the top and now measure from this place to the bottom. 60. Okay, how it looks from top view. If we switch to transparent view, wall thickness 49.9, just to write 49.9. Okay, for now we don't need seal. Let's take it off. Let's go to top view again and see what we can change a little bit more. And of course, we have to do those frames about 9 centimeters. It's frame. So let's write left and right 9 and see what happens. It looks better. We need also 2 units of additional frame, so I need to write count. Let's write 3. Okay, now we have additional mullions. What if we change them, make more depth? Yes, and wider. Where is mullions? Okay, let's write 12, for example. It looks like from a plan view it looks good, but still from a side view, let's move a little bit. And the bottom frame, let's do same as left. This frame, how many is it? Approximately 13. Top frame, make it more. Height 62 maybe, let it be. What do we have? We have such element, but still we need top element same, approximately same. Yes, I will reduce some of sash, write smaller count and write less deep. How it looks like. Okay, we will add additional elements to this component, so there will be no problems. What if we copy it into this place, but it's not cutting wall? Okay, first of all, let's change height from a side view. We can hide bottom frame, it's hidden, and reduce height 112 maybe, 112 or maybe 11. And top frame, let it be not 13 but 9. Looks better. From a top view there's no reason to see because it's the same. why it's not cutting that wall. Let's do one big component based on two components that it could cut our wall. Yeah, let's create a copy of it. I can delete for this moment those existing two. Let's change those two to regular. Oh, it's regular. Convert to regular, not cutting wall. Is this the same? Yes. The two components. What if we make one big component window, and what if we make it with a wall cutter? It's cutting in that direction. But if we change axis, I guess the Z axis should be changed. Let's rotate it 90 degrees. I change axis. That component Z should be another direction, and this close it. Let's move to the wall and see it's cutting now wall. We just need to move to the right place from the top and from the side. Now it looks better. There are some unnecessary things. This is the common component of a window based on two different components like this. This common window component. The idea is to create from a different component another windows. Let's change some options of it. We don't need fill. Can we move a little bit? Let's change depth of a frame to the same 1.5. And let's see if we could move into this point. Why is it not moving? 41.9. I guess it should be picked. It's not picking. Why? Why? I have to catch it. Maybe like this. But still it's not snapping. Why? It has to be snapping. Okay, let's change a little bit dimensions. You can scale easily. Now we have snapped this window. So let's change dimensions with a scale up here. Once again, like that. And see from up front, from this view it's okay. We can add a little bit more of frame. Yeah, it's changed, but if we write 5, for example, 5, okay, maybe add one more. What if we copy it to the top element, change a little bit like that. See from a front view, there is a little bit too big, too wide frame. Let's reduce a little bit by a half. Yes. Now we need the divisions here. If we change a little bit our components, I know it's possible in FlexTools to change. This one is great. And here also just need to copy those other sides. Frame is identical from many sides, so this is how it looks. It's one big component made of two components, and those 6 components of small casement. From a top view, it's like that. There is no profile, but of course I think you can make unique component from a side view also. Looks normal. So this is how it can be done in FlexTools. With FlexTools, you need to add some more details if you need, if it required. But in this level of details, it's very nice. It's okay. This is how it's done.